Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique and fun product that's taking the footwear world by storm: the best headlights for Crocs shoes. If you love your Crocs but want to enhance their utility, these headlights are just what you need. Whether you're walking the dog, hiking, cycling, or simply enjoying a night jog, these accessories make your Crocs not just comfortable but also incredibly practical. So, what exactly are these headlights? They're small, lightweight LED lights that easily attach to the front of your Crocs. Designed to be stylish yet functional, these headlights offer a brilliant glow that illuminates your path while adding a touch of flair to your footwear. They come in various colors and styles, ensuring that you can find a perfect match for your favorite pair of Crocs. Let's talk about the standout features. First off, the brightness. These headlights pack a punch with high lumen output, ensuring that you're visible even in low light conditions. The adjustable brightness settings allow you to customize the light intensity based on your needs, perfect for those early morning walks or late night adventures. Next up, installation is a breeze. These headlights simply snap onto the holes in your Crocs without any tools required. The secure fit means you won't have to worry about them falling off during your activities, making them ideal for both casual outings and rigorous adventures. Another key feature is their durability. Made from high-quality materials, these headlights are designed to withstand various weather conditions. Whether it's rain, snow, or sunshine, you can count on them to keep shining bright. Now, let's explore some scenarios where these headlights really shine. Imagine taking your dog for a walk in the evening. With these headlights, you'll not only see where you're going but also ensure that you're visible to others, enhancing your safety. Or picture this. You're out hiking on a scenic trail. As the sun sets, the headlights can provide the necessary illumination, allowing you to continue your adventure without missing a beat. Plus, they're lightweight enough that you won't even notice them while you walk. If cycling is more your speed, attaching these headlights to your Crocs offers an added layer of visibility. With the busy streets and unpredictable drivers, being seen is crucial, and these headlights help you do just that. What's more, these headlights aren't just functional, they also add a fun element to your Crocs. With various designs and colors available, you can mix and match to express your personality. Whether you prefer a classic white light or a vibrant colored option, there's something for everyone. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your Crocs experience, these headlights are the perfect addition. They combine practicality with a bit of fun, making your favorite shoes even more versatile. So why not step up your footwear game? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on innovative products. Have you tried these headlights? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep shining bright.